Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a package MCP server for Open Metadata. So as you all know, Open Metadata is a unified metadata platform for data discovery, observability, and governance. So basically, you can uh, get a unified platform of all the data from different sources, right? So what we are showing today is a ometa-diff. It's a Python package that you can install it and then you can use it as an MCP server or directly as a Python package as well to see the difference between the tables. So right now in the open metadata, there are APIs available, but there is no direct package available which gives you the difference. So for that, as part of the hackathon, I decided to go for it. If you want to directly install it, you can go to ometa-diff. It will show you the package or the installation can be done from GitHub as well. The project is here, ometa-diff. Uh, if I go to normal open metadata on local, it will show you something like this. So what we are going to do in this video is I'll quickly walk you through what I have done so far and how to test it out locally uh, in terms of differences or in terms of working. So this is a simple template that I have created to show you the quick demo of it. So what you need to do is basically first install the open metadata via Docker. If you do not want to install it via Docker, you can directly follow the steps from open metadata and install it. For my simplicity, I have decided to go with Docker Desktop and then install it. So I'll just quickly walk you through. In my case, I have already done these things. So in my case, Docker is already running. So I'll just quickly show you, right? So in my case, if you see the services are already running, what we can do next is I can go to this localhost URL, which is basically this one. I have already done the login part, but if you are logging in for the first time, this is the email, this is the password. And then what you simply need to do is what this package does is basically it gives you the difference between the different versions of the table. So for now, we are going to use this payments table for our use case. Uh, what I have already done is I have already updated few things. But if you, let's say, are new to it and want to try few things, what you can simply do is you can go to the table, any table where which you are working upon. We can go to that table. Let's say I decided to update it. It's simply that simple. I added it. So as soon as I click on it, it took some time, it saved it, and now the version is 1.4. Previously it was 1.3. So basically what I can do with this package is I can check the differences and all. Right. So I'll just quickly walk you through what steps I am going to follow. Basically, you can install it via this command. I already have it. So I'll just quickly skip that step. Right. So if you go to help, it will give you the commands that you can do. You can run diff, changelog, serve, config. All those things are there. To run this via MCP, what you will need is basically the open metadata host, which is basically this one 8585 API. And for the token part, what you will need to do is you will need to go to settings and bots, ingestion bot, and basically copy this GWT token to run it basically and set those environment variables. If you're using Windows, you can just set it through this one. If you're using Linux version or Mac OS, you can do it this way. I can simply verify that I have those already set through open ometa-diff config. So it is taking some time for me since I'm running few applications, Docker Desktop and all those things. But yeah, you see that it is showing up. Then next is I can quickly check the difference between the table, so it will show me the latest change that it has done. Right, so it showed that we added this, it was removed and it was added, this line. So in that way there are different versions as well. If you want to go for a specific version, you can do that as well. You can export it as a markdown JSON and all. You can check how much difference it did in since 7 days or since 30 days, how many number of days. In that way also you can try it out. For MCP server demo, I'm going to use Claude Desktop. So I have already done the settings, but if you are new, you can basically go through these settings and set it up. Since we are running short of time, I have already done this, so I'm just going to show you the demo. So in MCP, if you go to this one, once you have it set up, you will see in the connectors I already have ometa-diff. So what I can simply do is uh, I can pass this one. So for now, since it's in the earlier stage, it is not going to take the table name directly. I'll have to provide the complete table name. So for that, I'm going to use the complete path of this one, payments, right? So what changed in the payments table, right? So I'm going to remove this one. I'll just quickly search for it. It will go through it. It will find what are the issues or what changed, and it will ask you for permissions maybe if you are running it for the first time. But otherwise, you can run it as an MCP server. So see, here's what changed: the payments table version 1.3 to 1.4 changed by admin, and before it was this one, after it is this one. So yeah, basically it's an MCP server along with the Python package. You can either run it through CLI or as a Python package, or connect it as an MCP server and try it out. So yeah, this is overall my project. I hope you liked it. There are still improvements. It's still in beta phase. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you will use this package and help me improve it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.